At industrialgearbox.net, we are experts in industrial gearbox repair, including specialized units like this Brook Hansen P4 parallel shaft gearbox. Our repair process involves a complete teardown and inspection. We carefully examine the helical gears, shafts, and bearings for any wear or damage, ensuring a precise diagnosis. After thorough cleaning and preparation, we reassemble the gearbox with new high-quality components, including fresh bearings and seals. Every step is performed to restore the gearbox to its original factory specifications for optimal performance. The finished Brook Hansen P4 gearbox is now ready to return to service, fully revitalized and ready for reliable operation. For professional repair of your Brook Hansen gearbox or any industrial gearbox, trust the specialists at industrialgearbox.net. Contact us today for a free quote. industrialgearbox.net